Good evening, everyone. Welcome to video tutorial number 15 on the Sieveking deadweight method piano technique. And tonight I'm going to show you one of the Sieveking wrist exercises that I like the most because it keeps you strong with your keys. It lets you understand all of your keys because you have to go through them all. And first of all, you have to understand what a major scale is. Whole tone, leaving one note out, one hammer. Whole tone, leaving one out. Half tone, leaving nothing out. Whole tone, whole tone, whole tone, half tone. So that creates C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. Now, when you go to the tonic minor, so that means to C minor, you lower the third and you lower the sixth. So you have now that's the same up and down in the harmonic minor. Now a diminished triad, when you have a major triad, you have a perfect unison, a major third, and a perfect fifth as the first, third, and fifth notes of that major scale. When you, excuse me, when you go to a minor triad, you lower the third from E to E flat, and you still have the perfect fifth. Now, when you go to the diminished triad, you lower the fifth a semitone, one step smaller than diminished, then perfect is diminished. So you have a diminished triad now. Perfect unison, minor third, and diminished fifth. So this exercise, which is different from in the left hand than the right, but done hands together, involves these notes. So C major you take the thumb on the third note of the scale, and 5 is on the octave up from C. So, and it's a wrist exercise. So you're lifting the hand way back, and then you're dropping all your full weight of that thick upper arm, heavy on your hand, and loose, movable wrist, movable like your lungs. It's got to keep that movement in there. So. Does it twice. Then you go to the minor, so you have the E flat and the A flat. Then you have the A flat and the G flat as well for the diminished. And instead of playing your second finger there, you play your thumb where it was. So it becomes. And then you move up to the first, third, and fifth notes of D flat major or C sharp major. Up to the D major. D minor, like F major, 1 flat, B flat. Now with the diminished fifth, that becomes A flat, preparing you for E flat major. Go to E flat major, and you go up all the keys. Now in the left hand, it's still the same scale. So my arthritis in that thumb is not easy. There we go. So what you do in the left hand is you use 5 and 2, then 5 and 1, 5 and 2, 5 and 3, 5 and 4, 5 and 3. Repeats. Then you lower to the tonic minor, so like E flat major, battle ends end, B, E, A. E flat, E flat, A flat. You'll have a G, A flat, G, F, E flat, F. Now for the diminished fifth, you're going to lower the G to G flat. Now you take 5 up to D flat or C sharp major, and you take it from there. Lower the 3 and the 6. Notice how that prepares you for D major with the F sharp and the C sharp. Now you go to D and A for D major. And so on. You go through each key, all 3 ways. And then when it's hands together, I can't show you, I can only just set the iPad in the piano and let you hear what it sounds like, if I can get it up there. And it's only going to go like that. But anyway, here's what it sounds like. Slow, you're lifting your hand way back, and the full arm drop, thickness of the upper arm, the whole thing right from the relaxed neck. So it's C sharp major, then keep it very slow, like. And so on while you're learning it, and then it'll be in your hands, all the keys, and it'll feel really good. But don't do it at all if it feels painful or if it hurts your hands in any way. It means you're not doing it right. So you don't want to injure yourself. But just slow, heavy, and relaxed, and you should be okay. Anyway, I hope you enjoy that exercise and that you have the perseverance to do it regularly every day. Have a good night now.